So the Galaxy Z Fold is a device not like your typical smartphone. The Z Fold is made for the prosumer, the pro user, the business owner to get work done. Of course, you could watch movies like Netflix or play games on it and stuff like that, but this device is a high-end echelon device. I believe a lot of people get the Z Fold devices confused with a normal phone like an iPhone or even a regular Galaxy phone. Let me explain how it's totally different. What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So in this video, I want to show you guys some features, some great features that I use as a business owner, as a prosumer with my Galaxy Z Fold 2. Let's have some fun. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the first part of this video was teleprompt on the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and I typed this complete script on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. So we're gonna talk about it. Look, you're thinking about getting the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and you own the fence and you want to know the capability of the Z Fold devices. Let's talk about it. Look, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is a powerhouse of a device. It has all the top of the line specs to get the work done. Look, I'm not talking about looking at YouTube videos and scrolling up and down on social media. Listen, I'm talking about upper echelon work, high-end work, high professional work. Look, I put my Galaxy Z Fold 2 through the max. When I talk about through the max, I'm talking about what it's capable of doing. When I'm working on a project, I'll start a project on my Galaxy Z Fold 2, and if I want a bigger screen, I could connect it to 2 or 3 monitors. And look, I've done this so many times. I actually made a video about it. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 can work on 3 monitors. And you know what's so funny about this? I have computers that can't even push 3 monitors. Let me tell you how I do it. First, if I need to run DeX, I can run DeX on 2 monitors and then use the phone to do other things. So I can run 2 monitors at the same time using a USB Type-C to HDMI to a splitter, and I can run 2 monitors at the same time, and I can use my device at the same time doing other tasks. That is true multitasking, right? But if I want to run 3 monitors, I could connect all 3 monitors, 2 of them using HDMI to USB Type-C, and then I can run what's called Link to Windows. And I'm doing Link to Windows wirelessly, wireless Link to Windows as a virtual machine using the keyboard and mouse, and it's no problem. This device runs very well using Link to Windows, DeX, multiple monitors, and it doesn't get hot and it doesn't lag out. The performance on this device is top notch. Look, I can run 3 monitors, a keyboard, a mouse, a printer for a complete workstation. I made videos about this, and the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and even the Galaxy Z Fold 1 done it with no problem. Next, let's talk about gaming. I take my gaming to the next level. I can use up to 3 monitors, a controller, and have that good gaming experience with no slowdowns, no hiccups, no lag, no heat. Once again, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is a powerhouse of a device. So it will eat stuff like that for lunch and have no problems running high-end games. With 3 monitors, Link to Windows, and everything else in between, this device run it like a champ. Next thing is pen support. Now, I've been using a pen on my Galaxy Z Fold for a very long time, and a lot of y'all guys been asking me, how do I do it? And I've made a video about this pen, and also you can use this pen. Now, I've made videos about using a pen on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now, to be fair, I do have a matte screen protector on the front and back for full support, so I don't have no issues using a pointed pen on the Galaxy Z Fold 2. I know with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 it has pen support, and Samsung have made the screen much tougher that you can use pens like this, right? Well, they have a special pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 that's coming out, but I've been using pens like this on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 for a very long time. So if I want to write down notes, if I want to sign PDFs, I have downloaded all the Samsung software. If I want to use a pen, if I want to use the software on the from the Galaxy Note to my Galaxy Z Fold 2, I've done that and I've made videos about this. So I don't have no issues using a pen and pen support on my Galaxy Z Fold 2. And again, look, when we talk about a powerhouse of a device, this is a powerhouse of a device. Next is video editing. Again, I can use up to 3 monitors editing with Adobe Rush with no slowdowns, no hiccups on my Galaxy Z Fold 2. And this phone would say hold my beer, especially when scrubbing through 4K timelines without using any kind of proxies or anything like that. Once again, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is a powerhouse. It eats through 4K video like it's lunch. Think about this. I can use 3 monitors to scrub through 4K timelines, and I can render at lightning speeds on the Galaxy Z Fold 2 with no problem. So if you want to get high-end work done, if you want to use multiple monitors, if you want to use a pen, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 can do that. You know what's so funny? If I put 4K timelines on my high-end PCs, sometimes I have to create proxies. Or sometimes when I scrub through, I do have stuttering and hiccups. And on the Galaxy Z Fold 2, it says hold my beer. It does it with no problems. So how could the Galaxy Z Fold 2 can scrub through multiple timelines of 4K editing, and I got a $3,000-$4,000 computer? Sometimes it stutters, or sometimes I have to use proxies. This is the power of the Galaxy Z Fold 2, especially when you're doing video editing. Absolutely, you can edit on this device and get the job done. And you can use multiple monitors if you need a bigger screen. You can connect a keyboard and mouse and use it as a full workstation. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is a capable device. It has the power, and if you want to get work done, high-end work done, it would definitely say hold my beer, because it will do it with no problem. A lot of people ask the question, why don't you just buy a real computer? My answer to that question is the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is a real computer, and it's a computer in my pocket. I can connect to a monitor or a TV wirelessly, especially the newer TVs, right, with Miracast already installed in most TVs, and Miracast modules that you could buy for 10 to 15 bucks. Absolutely, you can use your Galaxy Z Fold 2 to get work done. Wireless DeX is king supreme. Now, a lot of y'all guys might ask the question, well, what about running exe programs? I've made videos about using Splashtop, running my server connected to the cloud, running Windows 10. I've done that already. I've made videos about that. Yes, if you want to run Windows 10, you can do that using a remote server connected with Splashtop, and you could do that. Or you could use Splashtop and connect to your home PC to run exe programs, and you could do multiple file transfers from the cloud to your PC from the device and back and forth. You could do that with Splashtop. So another question a lot of people ask, if you're going to get the Galaxy Z Fold 3, how will it hold up with the 888 processor that's known to get very hot, that does hinder performance? I made a lot of videos about the Galaxy S21 Ultra. When I do the same thing when I'm doing with the Galaxy Z Fold 2, the Galaxy S21 Ultra can't do this type of stuff. So I do have performance issues when I run my Galaxy S21 Ultra hard with the 888 processor. It gets extremely hot. It cuts off. If I'm doing 4K video or whatever I'm doing, if I'm doing some video editing on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, it does not do it that well. But the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is a device that's made to do that. I believe it's made to run like a champ with no problem. But with the 888 processor, we got issues with thermals. Hopefully Samsung will, thermal paste it up and make sure that the device stays pretty cool, because if I run it hard as I'm running the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and it runs hot and it cuts off on me and stuff like that, definitely gonna have an issue with that. So these are the high-end things that I can do on my Galaxy Z Fold 2, and guess what? You can do it too. So that's my take. Look, I see a lot of people talk about the Galaxy Z Fold devices like it's a toy. The Galaxy Z Fold is the upper echelon professional prosumer device, and you need to treat it that way. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 3, the Galaxy Z Fold 2, or the original Galaxy Z Fold in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.